At LabXchange, we believe science is for everyone. Our free virtual lab simulations designed at Harvard let you practice lab techniques in a virtual space. Here, you can explore the scientific process with confidence. Unlike a real lab, the virtual lab lets you undo steps and try the experiment as many times as you need. The simulations respond to your actions and give feedback, revealing how your actions impact your results. Our virtual lab notebook introduces the concepts and equipment you'll use in the lab. With 3 different levels for each simulation, you can choose the one that makes sense for you. You will make predictions before you start, and after completing the protocol, you will interpret your results. Start your journey in science with LabXchange.